Best of luck to both teams. Sana wala naman injured, no? Wala naman crack. Anyways, a reminder lang sa ating mga participants. Yung ating battle for third is race to 31. Two good time change hands natin is 15. And then, pwede tayo kagad ano? Or ano ba to? Hanggang 31 na talaga? Or pwede tayo mag-slide 2? Okay, pwede tayo mag-slide 2. Anyways, ready na ba tayo lahat? Request natin yung mga line judges natin to please put on sa inyong mga positions and also our referees, our umpires. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the battle for third. Now, serving the please, Mama. By Bolivario. And that's away. First point by here. Eclipse. A service by Chantrell received by Zaloro. And attacked by Mark Louis. Another set by Chantrell. Free ball for team number. Another attack error by Mark Louis. Another point for Eclipse. Service by Chantrell. That's a good serve. Attack by Mark Louis. That's a good attack. 1 point for Team Nova. Now serving Harvey the Saturn. Hanggang 31 na po tayo, pero pwede tayo mag-slide 2. Good setup by Chadwick, and a good spike by Neil. Another point for Team Eclipse. Now serving Arnoldo Cesar. And that's a good serve. Starting out there, 4-1, taking over Team Eclipse. Now serving Arnoldo Cesar. And received by Gaudi. Attack by Mark Gaudi. And that's a good attack. Our score now is 2-4 in favor of Team Eclipse. Now serving Mark Gaudi. And that is a good service. Nice received by Beto. However, it's an attack mode by Banzo. 3 na, no? Attack by Jimboy. Good setup by Martin. And a good attack by service. Free ball for Team Nova. And a good setup by Pedro and an attack by Clean. Nova. Our score now is 4-1. Service by Mark Louis. And that's service error. Now serving lead. Score is 5-4. Yeah, good setup. And a good attack. Another setup by Marby. Attack error by service. Score now is 6-4. Oh, service error by the lead. Score now is 5-6. Still in favor of Team Eclipse. Now serving 2-1. That's a service received by Chini. And an attack by Jimboy. Nice setup. Sir. Oh. Still serving. Edwin Earl Suwan. That's a good serve. Whoa. Nice receive. Almost a point. Miscommunication, misreceive. Now serving Banzo from here six. Ooh, a sharp serve. And almost a point. And that's a point. Score now is 8-6. Still serving Banzo from Eclipse. Sharp serve. Another service ace by Marzo. Another service ace na kaya. And good receive by Odgario. Unfortunately, an attack error by Odgario, still serving Marzo. Score now is 10-6 in favor of Eclipse. Ooh. Oh. Free ball. And an attack by Chimboy. Oh. That's out. Now serving. Isipin ka natin na. Rafael Nova. And that's a good service. Received by Chidi. And got a board. Harvey. Cham Harvey. Pero black lips. Color ko kasi easy aking maranyo. Another service by Vicente Taladrica. How is received by Melo? Oh my God. Yes, another service by Vicente Taladrica. That's a good serve received by Liv. And an attack by Chili. Free ball more three Eclipse. Malapit pa kaya? Wow, attack by Chimboy. And that's a good attack from Chimboy. Yes. That's a good serve from Chimboy. And an attack by Zidoto. A good setup. However, a free ball. And an attack error. Another point for Team Eclipse. The score now is 12-9 in favor of Team Eclipse. Now serving Jimboy from KCC. A good receive by Odgario. And an attack for Odgario. Is that check? That's out. Oh, a check ball. That's a check ball. A point for Team Noma. Now serving Zudoto. That's a service by Zudoto. And kaya set up by Zachary. And an attack by Zachary. That's out. Yeah. The score natin sa 11 siya na tingin natin naman. And another service by Zudoto. That's a good service. Oh. Attack by Mark Louie. And that's a good attack by Mark Louie. Another point for Team Noma. Still serving Zudoto. Yes, and received by Melo. A good receive. And an attack by Arnolfo Cesar. Another point for Arnolfo Cesar. Score now is 12-13. Masyadong ito yung laban. Chandelier. And at the top of the three, however, blocked by Saura. Set up. Tackling by Rico Center. Another set up by Saura and a block by Mark Louie. A free ball for Team Mama. And that's at the top court. Lodi and the top court. Rico Cesar. Not over. Service by Chini. And that's a good speed. This is received by Soto. Another receive by Chini. However, it's out. Overshoot kind of service now. Out. Sorry. Change court ka na. Nagulat ako ba sobrang gulor? Yes. Another service by Chimboy. And that's, is that in or out? That's in. The score for that is 16-21. Ooh, another service by Chimboy. A good. Still, ang nakita ko lang natin. Chini pala. Sorry. Yes, Chini. Sorry, Chini. Another receive by Zalapa. No. I think bumabawi tayo sa Chini sa kanyang napsas kanina. Good job. That's nice. Correct. Another good shot. That's another good service. However, our score now is 19-12 in favor of Team Eclipse. And another service by Chini. Set up by Harvey and error from Mark Louie. Oh my god, the scarf that. Just kidding. Ooh, okay. Another service by Jimmy. And that's a service, but nice receive by Gavilario. And ooh, a chance serve. Pakilala sa Jimmy. Oh, however, that's miscommunication between Cesar and Chandelier. Service over. Team Nova. 13-21. That's a good service by Gavilario. Ooh. Nice block by Harvey. Point for Team Nova. That's for lead for that. And another service by Gavilario. This received by Tegarante. Free ball. Good first ball. And attack for Mark Louie. Another point for Team Nova. That's 15-21. Another service by Gavilario. And that's a good service. Received by Tegarante. And another by Munoz. And the stare down from Munoz. Nice service by Chandelier. Wow, nice enough by Munoz. Good service by Harvey. Set up line. A free ball. Good set up by Harvey. And last set up by okay, tayo muna tayo. Papasok mo tayo sa sasakyan because we have a third player. Yes. At yung driver po niya ay si Rafaela. Rafaela from NLBB. So beautiful. She's a nice driver. At dahil na second class sila, siya muna ang driver to Sir George for now. Kuya, sa likod lang sir. Kung ang sa likod, hindi mo ako lang. Kinukere yung open yung partner. Gosh. Kaya ko din ilagay si Sir George at awa na tayo. Ano siya, biktima? Wala pang sasama sa kanila. Bakit hindi na tayo sa Sir George mamaya? Hindi naman sa mag-discriminate, pero bakit hindi naman tayo? Iba the situation right now. Oh my God, kailangan nila na kasama. Please, sa mga first class na po, opo, first class at second class. Samahan ninyo ang ating kasamahan. Okay na pala. Opo. 2316 po. Score natin is 316 in favor of Clean and Clear. May pagpapatuloy nila ang kanilang magandang gawain, pwede nila makuha ang third place. However, kung magtatamahan naman sila, that's not good for them. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much sa ating mga first class at second class for accompanying Sir George. Ibalik niyo dito kasi meron pa tayo ng dinner, ha? Sayang yung lechon natin. By the way, yung dinner po natin, si Shots of that. Uy, kaya niya i-rap-rap sa kanya, no? Okay. And now we will resume our battle for third. Hindi ko tayo mati-zero. Guys, come on. Anyway, score ko natin ay 316 in favor of PNM Philippines. So, for team of this is not PN. Another good service by Payne, and good receive by Zabokto. And an attack by Mark Louie, and that's a point for Mark Louie. For score our score now is 17-23. Anyway, I just want to remind everyone na meron pa tayo mga basura sa gilid. Please, pakiito sa inyong mga basura, no? Para later on, mag-exit na ka-diretso. Now, service by Mark Louie. And that's it. Service by Mark Louie. However, good received by me. And an attack error by Harvey. The score now is 23-18 still in favor sa Team Eclipse. And that's an attack. Oh! The bad attack by Cesar. 19-23. And that's it, son! By Mark Louie. 3 more to go. And magkatayo na ang Nova and Eclipse. Now serving Mark Levy. Received by Munoz. And attack by Chini. However, good dig by Lodigario. I think this is another okay. That's a good attack by Chini. And I can see a little bit of stare down. But smile siya after, so that's okay. Service by our processor. Received by Lodigario. And a free ball, I think. Fortunately, that is an attack error. Our score now is 24 still. The game wants to take it. Now serving, and he earns a flag. That's a very sharp serve. A good set up. Oh, that's inside. Score now is 25-10. Ako pa lang na naging commentator. Score now is 25-10. Now serving Chini Boto. A good receive by Lodi. Is Elizabeth good at that? Attack by Lodigario. Set up by Jandil. And attack error by Chikoy. Our score now is 25-10. Still looking for just kidding. Now serving. Defected Malabrica, that's a good serve. Let's see if it. Wow, that's a good one. Don't give us a chance. A good point. A nice green attack by number 23. Serving number 23. That's a good service. However, good receive by Lodigario. Now he is a Unfortunately, it is an attack error. Still serving number 23. That's a service error. No service over. Now serving Sobotel. That's a good serve, a very sharp full serve. Our score now is 28-23, still in the Eclipse. Now serving Chicoy from KCC. A good set up by Martin and a good attack by is that touch? That's a good receive by Lodigario. And it up by Stimulation. We are down to our last point for our Battle of Warfare. Ang area. Ang bronze medal. It's set up by Marty. Set up by Jandil. And up by Queen. Up by Papanos. Free ball. Ini mereka. Free ball. Free ball. Setting error by Jandil. Now serving that's a good serve. Received by Philip. And another attack by Chini. See? Received by service. Free ball. And Mayor President